Film study becomes market research. Practice plan becomes content calendar. Strength and conditioning becomes pipeline reps. Game tape becomes analytics. Leadership becomes offers and call to action. You don't need a new identity. You need a new arena. 5 athlete skills that print money online. You don't need a new identity. You need a new arena. I'll show you 5 skills from the field that become cash online. You will leave this with drills, examples, and a plan to publish this week. You're not starting from zero. You've got game tape in your bones. Today, I'll show you how to turn 5 athlete skills into content, clients, and cash. Content is currency. I was a linebacker, reading keys, striking first, covering ground. Same motor, built my content business. When I stopped trying to be a YouTuber and started moving like an athlete online, the money showed up. Feel the feed, same rules, you dig? Athletes think they need to start from scratch. Random posting, no pipeline. I've been there. I posted chaos, shoes, reaction, skydiving. Map your athlete skills to business roles. Then run my 1-hour content cure. Daily publishing, an hour a week. Every clip has a job. Book calls, cash flow, sold digital products, protecting your family time. That's all it's about. I'm gonna give you the 5 transfers. Skill 1, film study equals market research. Game film turns into market film. You understand me? On the field, you study tendencies. Online, you study hooks, formats, offers, other creators. You see what's working in the algorithm. Pick 3 channels in your lane. Spend 20 minutes logging 15 hooks that made you stop. Only first lines. Right? Why each hook worked, curiosity, contradiction, and specific promise. Example, man. Hook log for this episode. You don't need a new identity. You need a new arena. Views don't pay. Proof does. Record once, cash out daily. A simple table with the hook, angle, and your version. Turn the top 3 hooks into 3 shorts today. A call to action to your offer. The Cure gives you a hook bank template that converts your long form video into 30 clips. You get it? Skill 2, practice plan equals your content calendar. Your practice plan becomes your posting plan. You never showed up to practice guessing. Same online. Use the 1, 2, 3 cadence. 1 long form video per week. You could do 2 lives or community touch points and make clips from the video all week. You know what I'm saying? So 1 long form video should give you at least, I'd say, 20 to 30 clips that you can post through the whole week. Usually I'll make a long form video, clip it with Opus Clip, and post at least 2 times a day till I do my next video the next week. You understand me? Turn your past 7 days into profit. You know what I'm saying? On day 2 and 3, I can go live with some of my buddies and talk online, and then I put clips around it. Because everybody might not watch that long form video. Some people only want to watch your 60-second reels. You know what I'm saying? So just do that with the hooks that you've made, like we spoke above. A 7-day calendar would create, distribute, and sell blocks highlighted. That's all you got to do is make you a calendar that works for your schedule. You don't have to do it like I do it. Make your own calendar where you're being consistent, showing up on the same day, same time, every day of the week. Pin your booking link and product under the long video. Shorts feed the long video. You understand me? The shorts should work up and build up the trust for everybody to come see the long video. Also, the Cure auto names, your 30 files give you discrete descriptions with the links. You see what I'm saying? So all your short form content should give you a ready description and present it with links to sell your products or services. And that's how you do it with that. So get you a content calendar. You can use ChatGPT to make you one up, but get your content on a calendar consistent at the same time every week, every day, like your favorite TV show, and it's going to do wonders for your business. Strength and conditioning, skill 3, pipeline reps. Strong body, strong pipeline. Reps build muscle. Reps build revenue. The pipeline is a daily workout. You understand me? You got to do things to build your pipeline. 10 DMs to warm lead, people who might have liked or commented on some of your content. 10 meaningful comments on relative creators. So somebody in your lane that you're looking at, write a comment on their post, whatever platform you choose. 10 emails to your list or prospects. Do it in 30 minutes. Timer on, no scrolling. And another one, 10 text messages to people, 10 tone calls to people in your phone contact list. Outreach, let them know what you're doing. I'm sending them videos. You know what I'm saying? Give them some example scripts. Here's a DM. I help athletes and owners turn their I help athletes and owners turn their story into a system that prints content and clients. Want a 2-minute demo? You see what I'm saying? DM 10 people that same pitch line of what you're doing. Have a regular conversation. Somebody's gonna go for it. Add one tactical line under a big creator video. No fluff. Invite replies. I see it all the time when I'm on social media. Somebody has a crazy comment that ends up getting more likes, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000 likes, that draws attention to them. Then people are on their page checking them out, seeing what they do. So have good, tactical, funny, humor, educational comments. Know the audience that you're trying to reach. Write you some good comments on other people's thing, and that'll draw attention as well. Also, get you a checklist with 3 counters that tick up. Book 2 calls per week from this alone. The cure includes a DM and a text expander and comment templates. You dig what I'm saying? So we got all that kind of stuff. I'll show you how to write those comments. You can use ChatGPT though. ChatGPT is the answer here. Come up with your own craft, talk to ChatGPT and figure it out. Skill 4, game tape review, analytics. Monday film session becomes Monday analytics. You fix footwork with tape, fix hooks with retention. Watch the first 30 seconds of your last 3 videos. Cut dead air. Put the promise in one line. Add a pattern interrupt at second 5. Put the call to action preview at second 8. I'll give you the checklist. You know what I'm saying? Before versus after. First 10 seconds, side by side. Higher retention pushes more reach, feeds your offer. You know what I'm saying? You got a script template locks in the first 10 seconds and a call to action preview. It's a method to this madness, man. You just reviewing your film, making sure you're doing it, study your analytics, know which analytics really drive your business, and really harp on them, implement them, make them happen. That's how you take things to the next level. Skill 5, leadership to offers and call to actions. You understand me? Clear next step. Leadership is one offer, one call to action, one page. You know what I'm saying? Headline, record once, get your clips for the week, schedule calls booked by Monday. Subheader, work 1 hour a week to publish daily. What they get, templates, checklists, DM scripts, calendar links, 2 screenshots, 1 story. Get the 1 hour content cure. Exactly. Example, I got client stories. Anthony Amato, former D1 soccer athlete. We built his content machine, daily clips, audience up, book calls. Client story, another one. I got Ben, astrology lottery, trucks and stars, niece plus system, program sold. Simple wireframe of the offer page. Every video points to the same page. Audience learns the path. The cure includes, you know what I'm saying? Page copy, pin, comment, description blocks. If you don't win, I got the guide down below to show you how to do all this. If not, you can book a call with me. I could probably put you up a page, offer, stand you up all that in 1 hour being on the phone with me. I really do this in my sleep, rain, sleet, snow, or sunny, man. So hit the link down below if you want to get in with me, work with me. I'll show you exactly how to do what you're trying to do for all my athletes trying to figure it out. If you want the templates and checklists, grab the 1 hour content cure. Record once, add a clip scheduled, book the calls by Monday. Link in description, link in the first comment. GoPro Online turns discipline into digital income. Let's get it.